In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in ClickUp. We'll walk through setting up a brand new space, choosing the right starter setup, and adding the core views you'll use to manage work from kickoff to delivery. Start on the overview page of your workspace so you can see where your project will live. Click New Space to create a fresh home for everything related to this project. Next, choose an icon and name. Pick a clear, recognizable name for the space and an icon color that stands out in your sidebar so it's easy to spot later. Add a short description to give your team context about the purpose of this space. This helps onboard collaborators quickly and keeps everyone aligned. Continue to the next screen. You'll see suggested categories and solutions. Explore the options for marketing teams and product plus engineering if they're relevant to your work. Then select the solution that focuses on planning, managing, and executing projects. This gives you sensible defaults without overwhelming you. Choose the starter setup to keep things lean. If you're prompted to confirm the starter option again, go ahead and confirm. When you're ready, click Create Space and ClickUp will build everything for you. Once the space is created, switch to the board view. This Kanban layout makes it easy to visualize tasks moving through stages. If you see quick actions or settings prompts, use them to tidy up columns or adjust what's visible. Then switch to the list view for a more detailed spreadsheet-style perspective. From here, open the status menu and add a new status that reflects your workflow. Keep status names actionable like in review or blocked so progress is crystal clear. Create your first task and click Create Task to save it. A single example task is helpful for testing automations and views. Now fine-tune the space. Open automations and browse the available options. Even a simple rule like moving a task to done when it's completed can save clicks. Jump into task statuses to reorder or refine your stages until they match how your team actually works. Add supporting views so the space becomes a complete project hub. Open a doc to capture plans, definitions of done, or meeting notes. Add a form to standardize intake and make it easy for stakeholders to submit requests. Create a dashboard to track workload, burn down, or key metrics as the project progresses. Finally, open a whiteboard for brainstorming and choose from template to start fast with a structured canvas. That's it. Your ClickUp project space is ready, organized, and equipped with the views you need to plan, execute, and ship work with confidence.